No outdoor grill? No problem. These pineapple shrimp tacos come together in less than 10 minutes in the oven, making your Taco Tuesday awesome. They cook really fast, so the first thing we want to do is place the oven rack about 6 inches from the top and preheat the broiler to high. I have some medium raw peeled and deveined shrimp in this bowl. If you purchase frozen shrimp, make sure that they're fully thawed out before you get started. I have some fresh pineapple chunks that I want to leave relatively big, bite size. Then we're just going to thread the shrimp and the pineapple through a skewer, alternating with each piece. So that I put all my epic recipes inside my cookbook, the Taco Tuesday cookbook. By the way, if you're looking for it in the cookbook, the pineapple shrimp tacos are on page 132. Now that these are done, we're going to make our epic basting sauce. So in this bowl, I'm gonna combine a little bit of oil, chili powder, cumin, salt, garlic, and the juice of half a lime. The easiest way is to place the skewers onto a baking sheet and with a basting brush, generously brush the oil and seasoning over the shrimp and pineapple. Let's place the baking sheet in the oven and broil for about 2 minutes on each side, carefully flipping them over with tongs. When the skewers are cooked, we are going to remove them from the oven. All we need are some toasty tortillas. I like to warm mine over an open flame, but you can of course warm them up in the microwave or the oven while the shrimp skewers are cooking. To assemble the tacos, I'm going to make a bed of purple cabbage over the tortilla. Top it with a little cilantro, and then I place 2 to 3 grilled shrimp pieces and pineapple on the top. So simple and the perfect recipe to make Taco Tuesday delicious. Remember to check the link right below this video for the recipe and the Taco Tuesday cookbook details. See you next week.